In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your Windows Defender security. So if you need antivirus on your computer, all you need to have is Windows 10 Defender enabled. To enable your Windows 10 Defender, or if you had accidentally disabled Windows 10, all you need to do is to come and type here, Windows Security. And as you can see, the Windows Security option is here. Tap on it to open. Then we have the option called Virus and Threat Protection. As you can see, it is turned off and we are being requested to turn on. So you can enable it from here. Alternatively, you can go ahead and tap on this, and then it will open the Virus and Threat Protection window. Then go down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and then tap on Manage. When you tap on Manage, look for the setting called Real-Time Protection, and this is what you're supposed to enable. So toggle this button to enable it. And as you can see, our real-time protection is on. So that's how you enable Windows Defender security on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.